Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, I'm here at the Carlisle Vine in Dallas, Texas. The Carlisle Vine in Dallas, Texas. And I'm just looking around, taking a peek here. I'm on the rooftop, and I just want to talk a little bit more about the area here at the Carlisle Vine. It's a really pretty area. Today, it's a little bit rainy, but it actually is a summer day, so it's a little unusual, but beautiful summer day. I bet it'll turn really good in an hour or two, but it's kind of nice to have a little cooler here in the summer. And this is what the area looks like. So the location of this Carlisle Vine is pretty amazing. First of all, really pretty building. You can see it. Of course, we just saw the pool in the previous video, but then look at this. It's just a gorgeous area. It's real mature, trees everywhere, beautiful area to enjoy. But then in the middle of all that, you've got a fantastic, just cool walkable area. People that, if you have a dog, you're going to love this area. There's so many trees, just pleasant areas to walk around. The Katy Trail, that's a 3.6 mile running trail. That's about that's about 5 minutes walking over there to get to one of the entrances. That'd be 3.6 miles to enjoy. You can walk to McKinney Avenue. That's about 7 minutes, 5 to 7 minutes that direction. To get to Victory Park, that's a really cool area with the American Airlines Center. That's about probably about 5 to 7 minutes drive, more kind of this direction. And man, you're just really centrally located, whether it's walkable or drivable. Downtown is 5 minutes away also, 5 to 7 minutes or so driving. Man, you just got a great, fantastic area, and it's a kind of the area where you meet a lot of people, a lot of other young professionals in this downtown or uptown Dallas area. Hey, if you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. And if you're ready to take your Dallas adventure seriously and move forward and get that perfect Dallas apartment in Uptown Dallas, send me a text as well. We'll take care of you. I can't wait to help you find your perfect place. We'll make that experience smooth, stress-free. There's so many apartments here in the Uptown area and in Dallas. Why take the time to search through thousands of apartments when you've got free service? I've been doing this for 15 years. I love what I do, and I love just sifting through, making things easy so we can set up tours, virtual tours, right from where you're at, and help you find that perfect place. Send me a text below.